Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use beauty of Joseon Ginseng Essence. Start by cleansing and toning so the essence absorbs evenly into damp skin. Apply a dime to nickel-sized amount to palms, warm it briefly, and press gently into skin for better penetration. Follow with moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. Treat it as a targeted treatment step, not a replacement for your basic routine. Begin with a patch test and basic prep to avoid reactions and increase absorption. After cleansing and toning, use 1 to 2 drops first to confirm tolerance, then proceed. If tolerated, damp skin helps the essence spread smoothly and absorb faster. Avoid layering strong exfoliants immediately after to prevent irritation. Keep products simple for the first week to monitor results and build the essence into your routine gradually. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful skincare guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying up after skincare routines effortless and kind of fun. It saves time so you can focus on your routine instead of sweeping floors. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use 2-4 drops depending on skin needs and spread it evenly across face and neck. Warm the product in your palms to loosen texture, then press gently rather than rubbing to avoid irritation. Target drier areas with a little extra product and remember to include the neck. Finish with a moisturizer to lock in hydration and benefits, and sunscreen in the morning to protect the skin and preserve results from the essence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.